This week we're going to take a look at the planting pace for the U.S. beans as we enter the last stages of May. We're going to take a look at short-term weather trends and then take an updated look at a very strong export picture for old crop beans. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the final few days of May here, and this market remains extremely unpredictable. Let's start out looking at our updated map of planting progress for 2022 beans. We did see a nice increase of 20% nationwide for the last week. We're now at 50% nationwide. That is down significantly from last year at 73%, but we're only a few points now below the 55% five-year average. I do want to highlight one area, however, that's struggling a bit here, and that is that Northwest Corn Belt, Northern Plains, looking at Minnesota, South Dakota, and in particular North Dakota, only 7% done versus 47% on average. A lot of wet field conditions, unfortunately, challenging those producers at this time. Let's now look at the history of soybean planting progress. We're looking at the last 6 years here, as well as the five-year average. We're looking at, again, over the next 2 weeks from May 22nd through June 5th, about 23% of the beans will be planted. So weather permitting, that would push us near 75% as we enter that first week of June. Of course, weather is critical this time of year. Let's take a look at the short-term forecast. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at the last 14 days. Again, a measure of topsoil moisture. You can see as we move further east across the Corn Belt, it's drying out. I do want to highlight, though, once again, that northern Corn Belt, northern plains across parts of Minnesota, eastern South Dakota, and eastern North Dakota, how wet that area has been. Again, challenging early soybean planting. Now let's look forward to Thursday and Friday of this week, looking at more of a cloudy and showery pattern, particularly as we move further east here across the Midwest. What will that result in? Rainfall totals through Friday, May 27th, looking at the darkest green here further south and west, 1 to 2 inches. As we move further east, 1 to 1.5 inches across that lighter green area, and across the far eastern Corn Belt, the lightest green of about 1/2 to 1 inch of rainfall. So it looks like there may be a small window here over the next couple days through Friday perhaps for that northern plains area to get some beans planted. Again, we'll have to see how the weather shakes out then this weekend. Looking into next week now from Saturday through Thursday, in those first few days of June, particularly as we move further east here, we're looking at a drier pattern. So it really looks favorable for getting some additional bean planting done, particularly east of the Mississippi River, moving into early June. Let's wrap things up this week by switching gears and looking at the old crop export sale for soybeans. We're looking here at unshipped soybean sales here. Now we're looking at the second highest now. For quite a while it's been this third highest level. It's now the second highest level ever here for 21-22. A brisk program as we continue to get more sales that would have normally gone to Brazil. So as we highlight here, we're at 2.176 billion bushels sold now for the year, total sold. The USDA is forecasting annual shipments of only 2,140. So our bias again is we believe that the exports, when all is said and done this year, could be 2.200 or 60 million bushels above the USDA. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in November soybean futures. Now you can see November soybean futures here is kind of consolidated after having a rally there first part of the month. It's trading near $15.20 a bushel. That's still the highest price ever for late May. So as always, we continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage not only old crop bushels, but also 2022 production. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a safe holiday weekend.